It's one of the big three Christian virtues. Faith, hope, and love work together. But have you ever considered the role hope plays? Of course, Jesus is our blessed hope, the hope of our salvation. But for the poor, the fatherless, the widow, God is often their only hope for the necessities of life. The Bible says God is a father to the fatherless, a defender of widows, and He has called you to love your fellow man as well. This video will show you a practical way to respond to God's call to do unto others. You can bring the sound of hope to ears that all too often echo with the cries of affliction and suffering. At the same time, you can spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the ministry of music, helping to fulfill the Great Commission. Many people attend church or are involved in organized religion. But how many are actually putting into practice the golden rule or the ethic of reciprocity? It was expressed by Jesus as, love your neighbor as you love yourself. Have you ever noticed in Matthew 25 when Christ separates the sheep from the goats, He doesn't do it based on church attendance, on how many Bible studies were completed, on stellar performance in the choir, or even our profession of faith. He judges on the evidence of our faith, the love we demonstrate to others in real and practical terms. The Sound of Hope CD contains 13 songs from various artists who are members of the Indie Gospel Artists Network. The network's mission is to win souls and feed kids, and these amazing artists have waived their song royalties. In fact, the production of the CD and overall project, including this video, were done on a volunteer basis to ensure that 100% of the revenues go to orphans. These are high-caliber artists, too, with soul-winning, heart-warming messages. Let Gary Weldon Sr.'s catchy style impress the youth that Jesus is the only way to heaven.
One way to heaven, and I will testify. It's written in God's holy word, and God's word does not lie. Sinners only son.
Win souls with Lori Marks Vincent's hopeful invitation.
Here at the river for whoever will come. Here, where the river ends.
We even have Ray Perez of the Mickey Cruz Crusades letting people know that He is Lord.
For the glory of my Father in heaven.
At HopeMusic.net, you can preview these songs, purchase a digital download for $10, or a physical CD for $15 plus $5 shipping and handling. A promotional package is also available for church fundraisers. It includes a table display, a brochure, bulk CDs, and of course, this video. For each love offering of $20, the CD becomes a thank you gift. The church gets to keep the $5 normally eaten up by shipping costs to support its local programs. The best part is you can rest assured that your purchase or love gift will actually reach needy orphans. The project is administered by We All Are One Ministry, or WHAM, a 501c3 Christian charity. They have hundreds of orphans in many countries, and their motto is to make giving safe and safe giving count. WHAM's rigorous screening and due diligence process ensures accountability and transparency. Every penny is handled with wise and godly stewardship, and you can see the orphans you are helping by visiting their website at weallareoneministry.org. Donations are tax deductible, and WHAM has many programs you can participate in, from child sponsorship to disaster relief, education, clean water, and many others. WHAM also handles donations for the Love Offering Tour. The Love Offering Tour is a faith-based concert series that is supporting local outreach ministry, as well as national disaster relief. We are currently supporting the national relief efforts of the Habitat for Humanity and many other charitable organizations. The Love Offering Tour features top Christian artists performing for charity and for a chance to be recorded by Dennis J. D'Amico, the legendary producer of Sir Paul McCartney. The Sound of Hope CD will be available at Love Tour venues as well as local churches like yours across the nation. Please check the venues page at theloveofferingtour.com or email us at ken@indiegospel.org to find out how your church or organization can participate in helping spread love and hope to needy children. As you can see, this is a unique opportunity to fund orphans and spread the gospel at the same time. The CD makes a great present and is a wonderful Christian outreach resource for your community. You've met the entities behind this project. Now meet the children. Won't you show these precious kids that you care? Let the sound of hope ring in their ears. Let your love meet their needs. And let the gospel go forth in song.
Thank you very much. 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 Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you for the love you give us. Thank you for your good words and all the things you give us. We love you and we miss you. God bless you.
That's when you promised your love would never depart.